हाँ हाँ बोलो। हाँ नहीं सुनाई दिया, नहीं सुनाई दिया, क्या बोलती है दीदी? हाँ हाँ। Unboxing this package which my father has received from Shibankar Paul uncle of Hooghly, Kolkata. These were the nicely packed currencies that the uncle has sent my father. This currency was received on 5 to 5th of February 2021, 2 years before I was born. देखो देखो देखो, ये कौन सा करेंसी है? अभी देखते हैं, चलो कौन सा करेंसी है, देखने दो डैडी को, देखने दो ना, डैडी खोल के देता है बेटा। हैं? कहाँ जाती है आदि, कहाँ जाती है? मम्मा तुम ऊपर हो? आदि इधर देखो, इधर देखो, इधर देखो, इधर देखो, इधर देखो। अनबॉक्सिंग करने दो ना मेरे को। ऐसा क्यों करती है? पकड़ने दो, नहीं गिर जाएगी। चलो पकड़ने दो डैडी को।
क्यों, क्या हो गया?
उसको अकेले ही आने का, देखो।
अभी तू गिरेगी ना तो से लग जाएगा बेटा।
फिर बोलने का नहीं। जाते हैं क्या?
बोल क्या करने का है?
विपिंदा क्या करते, देखो विपिंदा उधर कुछ करते हैं। These were the currencies that came out of the package. This is from Dominican Republic, 20 pesos ora of Dominicana. This is from Vietnam, 1 dong of Vietnam. This is from Nepal, 1 rupee of Vietnam. This is $2 bill of Barbados, and which has a nice portrait of some landscape behind this banknote. And this is again $2 of Barbados. This is again from South Vietnam dong. This is a 10 Mlangi, 10 Mlangi of Swaziland. This is from you can see the portrait of the picture of Belgium. This is a 20 Belgian Belgian currency. This is from Sri Lanka. This is a banknote which is a 5 Sri Lankan rupee. You can see Central Bank of Ceylon, which doesn't exist anymore. Now Ceylon is known as Sri Lanka. This is from Czechoslovakia. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.